Umuthi ari thiku ya keri kuuma hindi iria ikari ya itura ria Kijiji mwena wa Lang'ata matungirwo ni mutino wa mwaki. Ikundi itiganite undu umwe na andu a wendi mwega no mathiete na mbere na kuheana uteithio kuri aikari aya mari na mwihoko wa thirikari ni kuhingia kiraniro kiayo na kumahe muigana wa ciringi milioni 70 kwambiriria muturire wao weru. Icera-ini ritu itura-ini riri turacemania na marori undu umwe na mabathi makirehe uteithio thukuru-ini uyu wa Ngei kuria aikari aya mahurite kambi kuuma matungwo ni mutino uyu.
We've received a lot of items are in our stores and some are still in the vehicles which are being offloaded. The vehicles are queuing, the trucks, the buses, and individuals who have walked in trying to save a life.
Makiria mari nyumba-ini ya kurirwo ni arutwo ne ria riu itwikite nyumba yao ya toro. Aikari aya riu ni makaite ihoya kuri thirikari.
Tungihoya muno no korwo ni megutucokeria uikaro cio witu mekire kiria bei ya nyumba standard tondu taru no marekebisha nyumba icio mathondeke uri itarari marihie goro riu marihie bei teria tungi afford kuriha toguo turarihaga tondu taicio turaikaraga turihaga 2,500
so kuri uri nyumba icio cingiongererwo bei andu aingi maremona ka marituhirwo ni maisha matuke stranded aingi matuke gucoka icagi-ini na kou tiko kujenga ucumi kou ni kubomoa ucumi.
Mwena-ini wake munini wa murugamiri wa ruhonge rwa guthaitira mogwati Pius Masai neugite ni makoretwo makiamukira uteithio kuma muthenya wa ira na oho akoria andu a wendi mwega guthii na mbere na kuheana uteithio wao.
We have seen one family who came today to bring information as they have lost a person. We've assisted them to document who they are, whom they are looking for, and the process of identification has started.
Nake munini wa county commander mwena wa Lang'ata Philip Lemaracia neugite ni maigite ugitiri wa kuigana thukuru-ini ucio niguo kugitira andu aya aria magukorwo magiikara haha kwa ihinda.
Security of the whole facility where we are in total, we've been able to secure it day and night throughout, and we will continue doing that until when we find alternative accommodation for all the affected people.
No na kuri oguo mihango ya mathomo thukuru-ini wa Ngei ni thiete na mbere ota mutugo hatari na muhinga o wothe ona thengia ya gukorwo ati guku no kuaho itoro aya marakoma. Uteithio uyu ukite muthenya umwe tu thutha wa munini wa mutongoria wa bururi gucera thukuru-ini uyu na kwiranira unyitaniri wa thirikari hari gutigira aria marahutirio ni mutino wa mwaki itura-ini ria Kijiji mwena wa Lang'ata ni mateithika. Na kiuria kinene ari hihi ni nginya ri megukorwo maikarite guku nginyanagia makagia na uikaro mweru. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njeta kama wa Mwagi.